In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant in QuickBooks Online easily and quickly. Managing your business finances can be a big task, but QuickBooks Online makes it easier by allowing you to collaborate with your accountant seamlessly. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll need to access QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. If you're already familiar with the QuickBooks interface, this should be a breeze. On their homepage at the top right corner, you'll notice a bright and welcoming sign in button. Give it a click to proceed to the login screen. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring that they're both accurate. It's crucial to keep this information secure as it grants access to your financial data. If everything is correct, hit the sign in button to take you to your QuickBooks dashboard. Upon signing in, QuickBooks may ask you to verify your identity. This is a security feature designed to protect your account. Depending on your settings, you might receive a text message or an email with a verification code. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step, and you'll be on your way. After successfully signing in and verifying your identity, direct your attention to the left navigation pane on the QuickBooks homepage. Here you'll notice a menu option labelled My Accountant. Click on this and it will open a new window where you'll manage your interactions with your accountant. This section is an invaluable tool for connecting directly with the expert who will help you navigate the financial landscape of your business. Next up, you need to provide your accountant's email address. There's a designated field for this purpose. Enter the correct email address of your accountant here. This address is crucial as it's the means by which you'll send them an invite to collaborate on your QuickBooks account. Once you've entered your accountant's email address, you'll see an invite button nearby. Clicking this sends an invitation to your accountant, granting them access to view and manage your QuickBooks company files. It's a good idea to notify your accountant once you have sent the invite. This can be done through a quick email or phone call, just to ensure they are aware and can accept the invitation promptly. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added your accountant to QuickBooks Online. This process not only simplifies your accounting tasks, but also fosters better collaboration with your accountant. Remember, this partnership is crucial for keeping your business's financial health in tip-top shape. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for tuning in. Happy accounting!